The Kind Rabbit's Helping Hand. Once upon a time, in a beautiful meadow nestled between rolling hills, there lived a kind and gentle rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had a heart full of compassion and always looked for ways to help others. One sunny morning, as Rosie hopped along the meadow, she noticed a group of little birds chirping and fluttering around a tree. Curiosity sparked in her eyes, and she hopped closer to investigate. To her surprise, she saw that the birds were trapped in a tangled mess of branches and leaves. They were desperately trying to free themselves but were unable to escape. Filled with empathy, Rosie hopped forward and said, "Don't worry, little birds. I'll help you." Rosie guided the bird to carefully untangle the branches. The birds got free from the trapped birds one by one. The birds chirped in joy and thanked Rosie profusely for her kindness. Word of Rosie's good deeds spread throughout the meadow, and soon animals from all around started seeking her help. Squirrels needed help gathering acorns for the winter, frogs needed assistance crossing a busy road, and even a lost butterfly needed guidance back to its family. Rosie gladly offered her helping hand, always showing kindness and compassion to those in need. One day, as Rosie was enjoying a peaceful moment by a babbling brook, she heard a faint cry for help. She followed the sound and discovered a little mouse named Milo. Milo had fallen into a deep hole and was unable to climb out. Rosie peered into the hole and said, "Don't worry, Milo. I'll find a way to help you." She looked around and spotted a sturdy vine hanging from a nearby tree. With great effort and determination, Rosie tugged at the vine until it was long enough to reach Milo. She lowered the vine into the hole, and with Rosie's guidance, Milo managed to climb back to safety. Milo was overwhelmed with gratitude. He looked at Rosie and said, "You truly are the kindest rabbit I've ever met. Thank you for saving me." Rosie smiled and replied, "It's my pleasure, Milo. Helping others brings me great joy." From that day forward, Rosie's reputation as the kind rabbit with a helping hand grew even stronger. Animals far and wide sought her out, knowing that she would always be there to lend a paw or offer a listening ear. And so, the meadow flourished with kindness, all because of one little rabbit who understood the power of helping others. Rosie's acts of compassion touched the hearts of many and served as a reminder that a little bit of kindness can make the world a brighter place. Moral: kindness is shown through helping others in need.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this.